How to send high quality pictures in Messenger. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, first of all, keep in mind that when using Wi-Fi, Messenger will automatically use as much data needed to send photos using the high quality possible. However, when it comes to mobile data, when you are using mobile data instead of mobile, Messenger needs to have some settings to allow it to use as much data needed. So the first one, and it's basically is the same for Messenger as well as your phone, is the data saver option. So you need to first turn off the data saver option on your mobile phone. Whatever phone you have, it's different for each mobile phone. And once you do that, let's go ahead and open up Messenger so we can also turn off the data saver here. So once you are on Messenger, click on the three lines at the top left corner, then click on the settings gear icon. And once you are here, scroll down to the preferences section and click on the data saver option, this one right here. And once you are here, just turn this option off, and by doing that, Messenger will be allowed to use as much data needed to send the photos using the maximum quality possible. It's that easy and simple. So remember, when using Wi-Fi, just send it, you don't have to do anything. And when using uh, mobile data, turn off the data saver, at least when you want to send the pictures and photos. So that was it for this video. That's how you can send high quality photos on Messenger. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.